Hey guys, what's up? So there's no doubt that Samsung is currently at the top of the folding phone category with devices such as the Galaxy Z Fold and the Z Flip, which have been very successful for them. But even though it's only been 2 years since the first Fold was launched, the company is already working on other foldable designs, including a triple folding tablet. The tablet will be able to fold 3 times, giving you a much bigger internal screen size than what is currently possible with the 2-fold design of the Galaxy Z Fold. Apart from a bigger screen, this sort of design will also be able to protect the display better as it is not always exposed to the outer world. Up until now, it was expected that Samsung will launch the tablet this year, but the latest leaks are hinting towards a Q1 2022 launch. We may or may not see a teaser for it during the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, which will take place in August. Apparently, the company hasn't decided on it just yet and internal discussions are still going on. The tablet will also come with support for a hybrid S Pen, much like the one that comes with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which would make its debut on the Z Fold 3. So even the Fold 3 won't have a built-in stylus like the Note series. Also, it will have a better UTG solution than the current generation Fold devices, but even that is expected to make its way on the Fold 3 first. Talking about the Z Fold 3, so Samsung may be cooking a surprise for us, as according to Ice the processor of the Z Fold 3 is called Top Secret. Now, both the Fold models launched till now have been powered by flagship Snapdragon processors, and even the Snapdragon 888 is no secret as it has already been used in Samsung's flagships launched this year. So why would Samsung call the processor as top secret? There could possibly be only one answer, that they will bring the Fold 3 with the Exynos 2200 and AMD graphics. In fact, Samsung had announced this during the launch of the Exynos 2100 as well, that they will bring the AMD graphics to the next flagship product. Moving on from one foldable to the others, Samsung is developing a new Galaxy Z Flip type smartphone that can be folded both inwards and outwards, thus eliminating the need to have a larger cover display. The patent was applied in October last year and it describes a clamshell phone with an elongated display similar to the Z Flip. Since the phone can be folded in both directions, the hinge needs to be redesigned as well. When folded, the flexible screen remains protected against external influences. Also, folding the device the other way gives access to a larger screen on both the front and rear. Additionally, the phone can be used in a fully open position, after which the entire flexible screen can be used. It also comes with a dual punch-hole camera on the front side. Interestingly, the phone will also come with an in-display fingerprint sensor, which, if turns out to be true, will be the first time for a foldable smartphone. That being said, do note that this is just a patent at this point and the company might not have any plans to launch it anytime soon. Samsung is even working on sensor shift technology for its upcoming flagship smartphones, so you might have already come across the term sensor shift as Apple introduced it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apparently, Samsung is already testing a phone with the sensor shift stabilization technique for a while, and looking at the past, I think that it could debut on the Galaxy S22. However, there is a possibility that the Z Fold 3 might get the tech in a special edition variant. Also, the new foldable devices from Samsung may come with a much stronger frame as opposed to the aluminum frame on current generation devices, as the company has filed for a trademark for armor frame, which generally indicates an extra strong frame. Samsung is also rumored to be working on the Galaxy Watch 4, which will be the first Samsung watch to make use of Google's Wear OS instead of Samsung's very own Tizen OS that they have been using in their smartwatches for long. In fact, they are even rumored to source batteries from China for the Watch 4. The company responsible for supplying these batteries is the same that supplied battery cells for the Galaxy Note 7, so we can just hope that nothing of that sort happens this time around. That being said, do tell me your opinion about the tri-folding Samsung tablet and the top secret processor for the Z Fold 3 that Samsung is working on. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.